Good morning everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Ambedkar Jayanti, also known as Bhim Jayanti, is an annual festival commemorating Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's birthday on April 14, 1891. This year marks the 132nd anniversary of Baba Saheb's birth. Now let's discuss about Baba Saheb, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was a social reformer, jurist, economist, author, polyglot, orator, a scholar, and a thinker of comparative religions. He was born in 1891 in Mahou, Central Province, now Madhya Pradesh. He is known as the father of the Indian Constitution and was India's first law minister. He was the chairman of the drafting committee for the new constitution. He was a well-known statesman who fought for the rights of the Dalits and other socially backward classes. At the later stage of life, he converted to Buddhism. He died on 6th December 1956, that is Mahaparinirvan Divas. Chaitya Bhumi is a memorial to B.R. Ambedkar located in Mumbai. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1990. Now moving on to his contributions. He led the Mahat Satyagraha in March 1927 against Hindus who were opposing the decision of the municipal board. In 1926, the municipal board of Mahad, Maharashtra, passed an order to throw open the tank to all communities. Earlier, the untouchables were not allowed to use water from the Mahad tank. He participated in all three round table conferences. In 1932, Dr. Ambedkar signed the Pune Pact with Mahatma Gandhi, which abandoned the idea of separate electorates for the depressed classes communal award. However, the seats reserved for the depressed classes were increased from 71 to 147 in provincial legislatures and to 18% of the total in the central legislature. His ideas before the Hilton Young Commission served as the foundation of the Reserve Bank of India. Now let's discuss about election and designation. In 1936, he was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly as a legislator MLA. He was appointed to the Executive Council of Viceroy as a Labour member in 1942. In 1947, Dr. Ambedkar accepted PM Nehru's invitation to become Minister of Law in the first cabinet of independent India. He resigned from the cabinet in 1951 over differences on the Hindu Code Bill. Now moving on to his important works. Journals: Mook Nayak 1920, Bahishkrit Bharat 1927, Samata 1929, Janta 1930. Books are Annihilation of Caste, Buddha or Karl Marx, The Untouchable. Organizations: Bahishkrit Hitkarni Sabha 1923, Independent Labour Party 1936, Scheduled Caste Federation 1942. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 1. He participated in all three round table conferences. 2. He resigned from the cabinet in 1951 over differences on the Hindu Code Bill. 3. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1990. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.